Hi, this is Paul from Adventures in Fabrication. As many of you know, I live in a suburb of Houston called Spring, Texas. I work right across the street from the HP facility on 249, right by the intersection of Cypresswood. Here we just passed the bridge that leads into the HP campus. On the right, you'll see what's called the Cypresswood Bank buildings. The one right now on the right is the building that I work in, this one. Now I just happen to work on the first floor. Looks like it's got about 3 or 4 feet of water in it. That's the parking garage where I regularly park my car. Again, that's Cypresswood Bank Building 2 on the right and Cypresswood Bank Building 1. I hope the vaults are waterproof. And here on the right is a new hotel they put in, Springfield Suites. Now we're coming up on Cypresswood Creek. As you can see, it's flooded over the banks. And it looks like it's going to be some time before it comes down. Just after that is the YMCA, and that's totally flooded too. Of course, the only way I could get this footage was being on 249, which is an elevated freeway. Most of the feeder roads at one point or another are underwater. Now here's video of going the other direction, heading north or northwest on 249. There's the Lowe's right at Cypresswood. And we're coming up on the Kroger's here. As you'll see, the Kroger parking lot is entirely underwater. And then just after it, we'll come up on Willie's Ice House. I happened to have lunch there last Friday. Doesn't look like they're going to be having lunches there anytime soon. And there's Willie's right there. And here we're coming up on Cypresswood Creek again. And as you can see, it's still over its banks. It's going to be some time before it recedes. Now we're coming up on Vintage Park here on the right. That's all flooded along with St. Luke's Hospital. And of course the Hyatt's underwater. Well, it looks like I'm going to be working from home for the next few weeks as they clean up the mess in my office. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video.